So you said you haven't though on your property, just on your vehicle?
No, after that incident, I'm like, hell no, I'm never filing that.
Okay, well, I kind of want to explain just kind of a detail on, your home insurance that's very different compared to car insurance. So your home property insurance is actually more related to health insurance. So actually the higher age of your home and, the more damages it's been in, the more storms, the higher premium you guys are going to be in. So you guys being in a catastrophe zip code by default is going to raise everyone in this area's premium. And so do you know the only way to get that down?
Wouldn't have a clue.
It is actually with a new roof discount. Similarly to health insurance, it's like resetting the life of your property.
But if I get a new roof, God, I guess I'm saving money on the premiums and I'm having to pay for the roof.
No, that's the best part about it. Your insurance is going to flip the bill for the whole thing and lower your premium.
Yeah.
Right. But they never call you to tell you that, huh?
Yeah, because I have to wrap my head around that one. Because when I was in my car wreck, of course, I guess I became a bigger liability, so my premiums went up. But what you're saying is, if I get a new roof up there, my premiums go down.
Right, because the liability on your property is going to just be less with it being newer and having less damages to it, less mileage on it.
Yeah, nobody.